Welcome! In today's video, I'll show exactly how to view blocked users on Telegram using the latest updated method. Whether you accidentally block someone or just want to review your list, this process is quick and easy. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll either see a menu icon with 3 lines or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your account preferences and privacy options. Inside Settings, find You Select Privacy and Security. This section controls who can contact you, see your information, and interact with your account. Now look for the option labeled Blocked Users and tap on it. As soon as you open this section, you'll see a full list of everyone you've blocked on Telegram. Here, you can review the list, unblock someone if you change your mind, or simply check who's currently restricted from contacting you. If you want to unblock someone, just tap on their name and select the unblock option. And that's it. That's how you can easily view your blocked users on Telegram using the updated layout. It only takes a few taps and gives you full control over your privacy. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring your Telegram settings to better manage your account and stay in control of your interactions.